Hey everyone, welcome to Stuart the Guitars. Today I want to talk about one of the common red flags that I see on older acoustic guitars. Older acoustics particularly, one of the things I'm always going to look at is the bridge, and right behind the bridge. On this particular guitar we have a crack that runs parallel across all of the bridge pin holes, and that's a big red flag. What that tells me, without even looking into the guitar, is that something is failing on the bridge plate usually. Now, the bridge plate is a piece of wood that is glued to the top on the interior under the bridge. Its footprint is slightly larger than the bridge itself, and it's usually, hopefully, grain oriented at a 45-degree angle in comparison to the grain orientation on the top. On a properly made instrument, the ball end of the string is actually anchored against the bridge plate itself, not the bridge or the top. Over time, either cracks develop in the bridge plate, which allows the ball end of the string to act as kind of a splitting wedge, driving up through the top, or just over years of restringing the guitar, the hole around the bridge plate, particularly if the bridge plate material is a softer wood, will start to become chewed up, and over time the ball end of the string will start to come up into the bridge plate itself. And so once you have either a crack or that chewed up rim of the bridge pin hole in the bridge plate, and that ball end of the string starts coming up through the bridge plate, you lose a lot of the strength in the top under the bridge. One of the interesting things about a lamination is that when it's totally solid and integral, it is very strong. But once one or two of the layers of the lamination start to degrade, the strength of the lamination plummets very quickly. And so once you have that bridge plate starting to fail, all of a sudden all that tension from the strings is pulling on the top in a way that it wasn't really designed to, because that strength has now left the bridge plate system. And what happens is you start to get cracking on the bridge, and you can also start to get a lot of bulging behind the bridge here. Okay, I have the bridge plate repaired. I have the bridge repaired, and now I can move on to the cracks in the top on this 1953 D18. And so we're one step closer to getting it wrapped up. Hope you enjoyed the video today. If you like the content, please subscribe and like, and I will see you next time.